Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to adjust the display brightness on this laptop. You can change your display brightness level by clicking these three icons on your status bar, which will open the control center, and here by moving the top slider either to the left or to the right, you can decrease or increase your brightness level respectively. The other way to do this is using your keyboard. So if you press the F4 button, it will increase your brightness level, and F3 button will decrease your brightness level. But if these two buttons don't do anything for you, you're gonna press the combination of FN button and the FN lock button, which is the left shift button. So just press these two buttons simultaneously and it will enable the FN lock feature, which will make F4 and F3 buttons usable. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.